This is called solving systems of equations by elimination. And the reason why it's called that is because you want to try and get the y or the x to go away. And so my eye sees that 5 can go into 10 2 times. And so I could probably get rid of my x's very easily. I'm going to multiply this entire first equation by -2. And the reason why I'm doing that is if I take 10x and I subtract 10x, I can get rid of my x's first. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by -2 so that I can later subtract. I'm going to get -2 distributed equals -10x minus 2y equals -18. Now I can take these two equations and in essence I'm going to subtract them from each other. So I have 10x take away 10x and I get nothing here. I have -7y and -2y. So I have -9y equals -36. So I took these equations and I subtracted them from each other. So now I have -9y equals -36. I'm going to divide both sides by -9. So I get y equals 4. Two negatives divided equals a positive. So now I have my y. So then I can come back up to either one of my equations. I'm going to take this one here because it's an easier equation to work with. I have 5x plus, I'm going to plug in my y, plus 4 equals 9. Now from this equation I can solve to figure out x. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. So I get 5 on this side and 5x on this side. If I divide both sides by 5, I get x equals 1. So I have my y and I have my x. And I did this by using the systems of equations by elimination. So you're always going to try to find something that you can subtract and get a 0 for to figure out the other letter. So first we got our y and then we got our x, and that's solving a system of equations.